recorded. Okay, you can see this, right? So general ledger is very easy. Like for coming to finance, it will have the basic journal entry. You can see all the type of journal entry it will be covered. Basically, you do journal entry for expense, for income, for accrual, and everything. Whatever we do in the manual work in progress, everything will cover in the system. That is the thing. And you have a topic called WebID. WebID, nothing very easy. It is Excel tool. It will upload into the Oracle. And summary account. Okay, we'll see advanced journal entry. What is advanced journal entry? It's through formula. Suppose you are having 1,000 branches throughout the world. Okay. So at a time, how you will pay the salary? There will be 1,000 or 10,000 entries. So there is a formula. You will keep a journal, skeleton journal, they call you. Keep a journal without amount. Just keep that, and every month you will update only the amount and you upload. System will upload like that. So base is all journal only. Then budgeting is there in general ledger. Multi-currency. So suppose we are operating in India, our currency is in INR. How to operate in multiple things, and we have revaluation. How to revaluate our assets and liability. Okay. How to translate. There is a difference between revaluation and translation. This is the most important question in interview they asked. What is revaluation? Suppose on 31/3/2021, okay, I want to reevaluate my assets into USD. USD is my head office and this is my branch. So what happens? Only assets and liabilities are revalued on the date exchange rate. Suppose 75 is the exchange rate. The assets and liability will be revalued on that date without affecting the books. So whenever plus or minus, it will go to unrealized gain or loss account. It will hit the unrealized gain or loss account on 31st March. What happens on the next day, 1st April, will reverse the journal entry. So it will be normal. Your books will not be affected. Just to check the asset. Suppose you bought a building 10 years back, it will be 10 lakhs. Now it will be 17 or 18 lakhs or 25 lakhs or 30. It is an appreciation, but your book will have 10 lakhs only, right? Just to see the market situation. But what is this translation? Translation is translating your entire balance sheet into other currency. That is called translation. Okay. And period close, financial reporting. Normally, technical team will build the report. There are many standard reports available in the Oracle itself. So if at all, there is a front end, functional reports also available called FSG report. You can build on yourself. It is like a basic only. Once you build, you can copy and do it. That is called FSG report available here. And intercompany, how the intercompany works. That's it. Yeah. You can see one by one. Ledger. It is very lengthy document, but matter is very less only. They have given just to allow. Okay. So how in general ledger? See, I told general ledger is the core for every module. Without GL, nothing will function. Manufacturing industry, Oracle manufacturing consultant or other sub ledger, any module, CRM module, Oracle finance, HRMS, projects, Oracle project. Every module has to come into general ledger to create the journals. On the month end, the journals created for every financial transaction and flows into GL. Only in GL you can see the trial balance and balance sheet and the P&L account. That's what they given here. Okay. Same thing. What happens in general ledger? You record a transaction. Freshly you can record, then you can edit before posting. Once it is posted, you cannot do it. You have to only reverse it. You cannot delete in Oracle. Okay. And other subledger, AP, AR, or whatever it is, it will flow. It's called importing journal. This is manual journal. When you directly record in GL, it's called manual. It is coming to other subledger, it is called import journal. And review. You will review after that. When it comes from AR and AP, you will just review it. You cannot delete because it's coming from other module. and analyze, correct, adjust budget and everything we can do. Okay. Function and features, how it is generic only. How the GL accounting cycle flows. So monthly one, you open the period. Now we are in June. June end, we close the June and open July. At a time, one open period will be there. And you can open future period. What is future period? I can open July. What happens if I open July? When June is open, if you open July as a future period, you can record transaction, but you cannot post it. When July opens, it will be posted. So why it is useful? It is a function because only the month and GL people will have the work, huge work. So other time when you are free, they will prepare the journal or something template and keep it in the future period, or some insurance prepaid or something, whatever you know, you will record there. Okay. So like that, they will do it. So when you open the period, automatically you can post the transaction. In 11A, you have to post separately. Oracle 11A. This is R12 and Fusion. It is automatically posted. Okay. That is not a posting case there. So this is the process. Open, create or reverse journal, post, review, revalue or translate, consolidation. What is consolidation? Suppose I am having 10 type of business. I will give an example after this. So 10 type of business, my owner want to sitting in somewhere. He cannot have the time to see each and everything, right? So there is a book called Consolidation. Consolidation, he will check in a group. We'll create a consolidated books. All the accounting entry will flow there. And at a stretch, he will see only one and he will see all type of business accounts in one. And then review or correct balance, run, report anything or close the period. This is the GL cycle. So these are all generic. You can read. Integration with subledger. Import from non-Oracle. See, suppose I am having GLS in Oracle and I am not happy with the AP in Oracle, I can buy SAP product for AP. Even from AP, it will integrate. All ERP will integrate. And HRMS, when PeopleSoft are famous, you can think so. You can integrate from PeopleSoft also. So it is called non-Oracle application. You can call legacy application also. That is called also feeder system, other system. So other than Oracle, they call feeder, web ADI, all external tool like Excel. You will build budgets. Suppose everybody will not know Oracle in the, if you want to implement in some company, maybe some people only can study. Elder people at higher level, they don't want to learn a new product. They will do only in Excel. Even from an Excel with the fields are fixed, you can import journals to Oracle. So that option is also available. They're all setups. Right. Out till now, oh, this is very basic. Like we'll go like a discussion. You can ask the basic doubt and do.
For me, nothing as of now, sir.
As of now, okay, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now I'll explain now it whatever in GL, how we can see in an Excel. Yes. I have explained. We share the and see the Excel. Everybody can see Excel.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah? Yes. Okay. Right. Okay. What I said is GL is the core module. So what are the other modules we have in Oracle? We have payable, we have receivable, we have assets, we have bank, cash management we call. So these are the 5 modules only we have to study in the Oracle Financial. And cash management, nothing is there, only bank reconciliation and the internal transfer. In Oracle 11A, no internal transfer, only bank reconciliation is there. You will do only BRS year. Okay. And you do internal transfer, one bank to other bank transfer, that will create accounting transfer. So it doesn't have a period close. Cash management module. Okay. If you come to AP, you know that AP this two types. Only two things we are going to see in AP: invoices and payments. You create invoice, you pay. Only these two. Regarding these two, what are all there throughout the universe you are going to study. Basic accounting only. Assets, asset creation, asset purchase, asset sale, and everything. So here no period close. Here one period if you close one period only, you can open other period. Okay. So this is the difference here. When you close one period only, you can open other period. So this is different here. At a time, only one will be open. When you run depreciation for the current period, the next period will get open. Okay. What is AR? AR also same, invoices and receipt. Receipt of money. Invoices and receipt of money. Okay. Right. Okay. This is the entire Oracle financial. So what I told to you, what happens at the month end? Suppose May month end. Okay. So May month, what I do, I'll run the depreciation for May. Okay. I'll close here, it automatically will come entry by entry. So that flows into GL. All the accounting entry will flow into GL on 31st May. Okay. Any doubts till now?
No, sir.
Okay, right. Okay. So like this, if you think with the accounting, it will be very easy only. So in AP, payment entry and invoice entry will flow on 31st after the period close. Maybe you will close on the next day. You can see in the really, but the entry is up to 31st only. Same in AR. Okay. Give me 2 minutes. Okay. So I'm closing every period. What happens at the end of the month? It flows journal entry to GL. It is flowing journal entry from this is all except GL. GL is called ledger. Except GL, all are called subledger. So it is flows journal entry from all the subledger. Here also internal entry by entry. Okay. So what happens? Okay. Like this, everything like arrow mark, you can put everything is coming to. So once everything comes, normally they will close everything subledger on day one. So day one end, we will close. So assuming this June 1st, end of the day, we are closing. Okay. Normally subledger will close on day one end. This is no close here. So what happened? We'll have up to day 5 close GL. Why day 5 means? We have to close all, put all the accrual entry. We have to run revaluation. We have to do budgeting and everything before budgeting after that, after the close. So all the adjustment entry, whatever left will come here. So whatever comes from the other module is called imported journal. Okay. Imported journals you call whatever come from other modules. Because you are importing from other module to GL. Okay. Will be imported. Okay. So what we seen now the journal is flows and we calling imported journal. Okay. So we are having subledger flows, journal flows, and we call imported journal. After everything in journal ledger, you will see in every journal you see the type imported or manual. So when I want to create directly in GL, it's called manual journal. So manual journal, you know the adjustment entry, debit and credit, whatever it is, you can create here. Whatever you left there, you will be created here. This is called manual. So this is the difference between manual and imported. Okay. Here you should know the difference between imported journal and manual. So what is the difference? Anybody can tell me?
Imported journals probably are those entries which we inherit or we we they get it from the other earlier postings. Manual journals probably are those which we are making the direct entries here in GL.
Okay, right. Perfect. So directly at the GL, we are doing. So with this knowledge, I'm going here. AP. Okay, here we have more notes. I'll come down. So once again, same thing. Now you understood GL, right? How the payable, everything goes. Okay. Okay. APAR, we have bank and cash management, and we have assets, fixed asset. Okay. So same formula you have to apply for all. For AP, what is the imported journal? What is the manual journal? What is the manual journal? Okay. Now we have to come to other module. What is supply chain management? There is a module called supply chain which always interlinked. If you are a manufacturing company, you have to link with finance. Service industry directly finance is enough. You will have purchasing module. Will have purchasing order and everything you will create there. You have order management. I told you have, okay. This is not supply chain. There is a separate project module. That is also Oracle separate project. And you have HRMS module. These are all separate. And you have inventory module. You, okay. So purchasing, order management, and inventory.
Order management comes under, I mean, like, will there be a CRM module or order management is a CRM?
Customer relationship management is different. Okay. CRM. And SCM, supply chain management, only purchasing, order management, inventory, and WAP, work in
Because
progress material.
accounts receivable as a concept is we deal with the payments which are due to the company from its clients.
Ah,
So aren't I mean, here it is called as order management only, which is part of SCM.
which one?
Order management here, AR is related to
Yeah,
order
yeah, yeah,
management.
correct, correct. See, when you see the normal accounting pattern, accounts receivable should include everything. Like you said, exactly. We should include sales order. We should include even collections. We have a tab, but Oracle collection is a different module. See, when your business is going on a high scale, okay, like Amazon and all, collection is the main thing. They will have a separate module for collection. Okay, I worked in Amazon. They are having a Oracle for accounting, and they are having a billing system also. Worked in a project called Videocon, some telecom services. Okay, telecom service for calculating billing in seconds. They are having AMDocs like that, a different software. So
Okay.
accounts receivable, you can see all navigation inside. You will see how to create a customer, even order management and accounts are both having a navigation for creating a customer. But when your business expands and you have a separate segregation of duties and responsibility, we have a different module. Like said, order management and AR, mostly you will have common things. But elaborate things you will do in sales order. When you integrate, nothing you do in AR. I'm coming to that point only. You got my answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, because when the business is elaborate, you will go more. When your business is small, only finance model is enough. I'll explain in one example. You will understand more. Good. You are asking this type of question. Now we can go right. See, same thing. Importer journal. What is importer journal? You create a purchasing module. You create. First, I'll differentiate. WIP. Okay. These are all SCM module. Okay. Right. Okay. So what happened? Right. Finance. Okay. So if I implemented purchasing module, I create a PO there. Okay. I create a purchase order. Everything we'll see in system later. First, we'll understand the theory. Then you can easily go through that theory and all. Nothing is there. To confuse you, they will not give in order. You create a purchase order, and then it will come to AR module or AP module automatically if the setup is done. What happened? In purchasing model, you will have a supplier and everything to fill it. So this from PO, it comes to AP, it is called imported journal here. So imported journal concept comes here because it is coming from other module. But it come from only PO or other accounting related. It won't come from order management. So there is a stop there. So from PO, it won't directly go to GL. It has to come to AP, right? PO module or purchasing module. Okay. From purchasing, you create a purchase order. All the purchase order will be imported. Scheduled run will be there up to. It is called imported journal from. What is manual journal? You could directly create in AP module. See, all the things in a manufacturing company, the item is created in inventory. I create item, I select the item in AP, and whenever I purchase, inventory quantity get increased. Quantity will get increase, right? Whenever I sell, quantity will become quantity increase. I create a PO, so it is linked. What is manual journal? Nothing related to item or something. I want to pay to consultant. Suppose I want to pay to a auditor, auditing fees. So I have to create a payment, right? So directly I'll create a manual journal, audit payment. Suppose I am paying an Oracle consultant. He will work for hours. That is service, not production. service payable, right? I create a manual invoice. That setups is there. Anyway, it is manual only. It won't come from purchasing. So that's why we have a imported and. So you understand the difference, everybody? Kiran, can you tell me what is this?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, you understood, right? What is imported and manual journal?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay, right. Started going something. Okay. So in order management, what is imported? You create a sales order in order management module. What is sales order? It will have a customer. It will have all the order details. You imported journal through AR. So from sales order, it is imported to AR. It is called imported journal. And if you create directly an AR invoice, like I said, you are getting an income, other income, like the bank interest income. All the income will come here, right? AR invoices and receipts. So this is called a manual journal. So same in asset. Like I said, you are having a normal company having fixed asset 100 or 1000, you can put it. See, suppose I am having I work in the mining industry. You are working in a mining industry. Okay. So mining industry depreciation method and all will differ. I can use only depreciation here. We know straight line, this flat rate and all, they use it per day. I'm using an because the machinery cost huge value, right? So how I'll measure, I'll use on daily basis or that daily basis method, 15 days or 30 days. And we use a projects module or EAM module for maintaining the asset, enterprise asset management. For single, how many expense for the asset, how much expense incurred. Big missionaries will have this. Big companies, mining industries and all, they focused on missionary and calculate. This mission overall engaged, how much hours, and in detail, this module will capture. From this module, it will come to asset project. Okay. Anyway, it has to, from asset, an asset has to be purchased, it has to go to AP. So whatever it is coming, it is imported from asset. From AP only asset will come. You purchase an asset and it will import it to asset. When it gets imported to asset, it can be a other type. Now you understood, right? Only imported and manual. All the module is there. Okay. It is related to the other module, right? Even from HRMS module, while paying the salary, it has to be imported to AP. Okay. Bank AP. You pay salary to HRMS. First, it will come through AP because here only you do all the payments everywhere. All the receipts will be done in AR only, no other go. So this through from AP it comes to GL. So this is called the ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Every module is linked. Okay. This concept you understood, everybody, imported and manual. How every module is there. Okay. Okay. Same thing, other type I will tell you. AP. So each and everything will not create. No? So AP invoice, if you take invoice, you are having an, you can create a single invoice or invoice batch. Single or batch. Every time it will ask. But in AP, you have a control. While clicking a profile option, there is a profile option while doing the setup. Everything will do see in detail. Single or batch. It will ask. You have to ask your company what you want. Every time you want to create single invoice or you want to create as a batch. Batch also you can create one invoice. Nothing but you are having 10 to 20 user. No, they will be creating like Chennai locations like Reliance. Chennai itself, 200 branches there. Who is creating that? Username should come. Na? So they will have a batch name. Under that, you will create a invoice. That's it. Nothing. Both systematically correct only. So you will have singular batch invoice. Same payment also single batch or batch payment. But in AP only one you can use. Single or batch. That initially you have to decide in the profile option. Based on that, it will work. Payment anytime, anything you can use. Same. AR also single or batch invoices. Same AR receipt. AR invoices we call transaction, just not to confuse. AR invoice in Oracle we call transaction, because when we say transaction it is AR. When you say invoice it is AP. Okay. Receipt also you have single and batch. Okay. Asset also you have single asset or mass addition we call mass. At a time you are having total. See, when you are implementing new company, all the assets you will take in Excel and you load as a single chart. And when you time, you will not buy one asset no, for a company. Suppose HCL buying 1,000 monitors for everybody, they will buy at a stretch, no? So it is a mass addition. Okay, like that. So everywhere there is a single and batch. Okay, here also single journal and a batch journal. Okay, so in all the modules you will have. So this is also clear, right? Single or batch invoices, single or batch payment, and everything you will have. Okay, right. So till now very easy, right? You understood the concept. So we started with how the month close happens, how the journal flows, what is imported, what is manual, and what is imported journal and manual in all the things, how it is linked to other assets, other modules, all subledgers, and this is ledger. Okay. In time, how to extend. Okay, right. So these are all general understanding before going into the module. Okay. Okay. So always you will have an interlinked module of SCM, because here you will have supplier. PO also you will create supply. When PO module is there, only the PO person will create. Here you will have customer. AR will have a customer. Customer will create it in AR module. Supplier will create it in AP module. Okay. And banks will be created in bank module. All the banks. But in 11A, you create in AP or AR. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
When we purchase one, like say for example, one computer means that we will enter in AP,
Correct.
purchase entry.
Ah.
So that won't come automatically as a asset because a computer is a fixed asset. So won't it reflect in asset directly?
Yeah, I will tell you. It is a good question. I'll explain.